Uh, Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Today I am going to give a review on a TED Talk. This is a task, the part of my AI session. I hope you would like it. My name is Zahida Abid, and today I am going to give a review on a TED Talk by Simon Sinek. Who is Simon Sinek? Simon Sinek is a well-known British American author, motivational speaker, and leadership consultant. He is recognized worldwide for his work on leadership, business, and organizational culture. And this TED Talk today, Simon Sinek begins his talk by asking an important question. That question: why are some people and organizations more successful than others? Like Apple company, Wright brothers. Um, According to him, success is not only the result of intelligence, resources, or luck. Instead, it is driven by having a clear purpose. Why? He introduced the concept of the golden circle, which consists of three parts: why, how, and what. Why do you do what you do? What is your purpose or belief? And how do you achieve your purpose? What makes your approach unique? And what products or service do you offer? Simon Sinek explains that most people and companies start by talking about what they do. How a truly great leader always begins with why. This is what sets them apart from others. He then discussed how the human brain works. According to him, the part of the brain responsible for emotions, trust, and decision making response more strong to why, while the logical part process what and how. That is why people often make decisions based on emotions first and then justify them with logic. He also points out that successful companies do not just sell great products, they communicate a strong purpose and vision. When people believe in that purpose, they develop trust and loyalty toward the company. Simon Sinek emphasizes that a true leader does not force people to follow. Instead, a leader inspires them by giving them confidence, hope, and a meaningful purpose. When people believe in a cause, they work with greater passion, commitment, and enthusiasm. In conclusion, he says that if you want people to trust you, support you, and be inspired by you, you must first be clear about your why. When your purpose is strong and authentic, others are more likely to believe in you and join your journey. And the key lesson of the TED Talk: always be clear about your purpose. Why? People are inspired by your purpose and beliefs, not just by your products or services. Trust is the foundation of great leadership. Great leaders inspire people instead of simply giving orders. When you truly believe in your purpose, it becomes easier for others to believe in you as well. Uh, this is the last point of TED Talk. Uh, Thank you very much. See you again.